Check it out, you guys. A little bit of quiet time here. Nice solid bumper. 72. Camaro. C-10. Looking like a 65. Very sweet. Nice truck. Yep, this is Route 66 Cruisin Reunion. Patrick here, PCTV. Like I said, we got a little bit of break in the action here. It's just 1.5 million people here. You got folks, dogs. You got everybody here. Look at that. We got doggies. A lot of nice C10s. Oh man, check this one out. 67. Very sweet. Nice Cheyenne right here. 72. Gorgeous. Yeah, buddy, music's coming up though, so we got to shut her down. Nice Chevelle here. Ah, a little roadster. Very cool. 64 El Camino. Tonneau cover, full shot. Getting back toward camp here. Nice Nova wagon, 64. Hey guys, help me on this one. Ooh, another nice C10, long bed. Up. Impalas, Impalas, Impalas. Here we go. I walked right past the camp and I walked right past my car. We got the Dirty Six in house. We got Alley Cat. We got Edgar. And we have the Frankenstein. Yeah, buddy. Guys, we're deep in it here, in the thick. It's going off. It's about 9:30 at night. Cruisin Reunion. Folks everywhere here. I'm rolling in the Frankenstein. I got Robert behind me in the Dirty Six. Nice. 210. Camaro 67. Super Sport. Beautiful F-100 there. You don't see a whole lot of those around. You see lots of Apaches though. Look at that one, riding high on wide whites. There's just a ton of people out here. A lot of conservatives and supporters of our former president. And you can just tell there's just tons of people. You move through here at a rate that is just the rate that you gotta go. It is packed. Some people are absolutely thrilled, as you can tell. Take a look down the cruiser out here. We can't go fast, we gotta go slow, 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 slow. Very cool though. Yeah, so look at this here, wow. Great cars, nice cabriolet. Guys are blowing a lot of gas out the tailpipe. I'm gonna have to put gas in this thing tomorrow sometime. Not sure time I'll get here tomorrow, but I'll try to get here fairly early. But yeah, you got to be careful rolling through here. It is tight, tight, tight. People are lined up left and right, out of control. Take a look at this, just nuts. Got a lot of live music going on. Oh, whoa, whoa. People just walk right in your car without even looking. Yeah, there are a lot of folks here that aren't used to coming to cruises. But yeah, it's just like, man, it's like downtown TJ here sometimes. This is the most crowded we've ever seen it in terms of spectators. A lot of cars here as usual, but a ton of spectators here. Another nice money. Oh, some money. Yeah, some money. It worked. Yeah, the monies are lined up. Looks like it's, yep, Caprice. Convertible toward the end of the run. Different kind of crowd here than last year. That's for sure. Roll out. Yeah.